Hey, what's up? Welcome to today's video. Now, one of the things that is a major pain in the butt when it comes to running any type of ads right now, because video is the main driver, is the editing aspect, right? Yes, we can create AI avatars. Yes, we've got some of these tools that sort of AI edit for us, like captions.ai. But I personally find there's a problem with that, and it's kind of techie, but when you create these avatars with like HeyGen or Synthesia or ArcAds or whatever tool you're using, the frame rate is different and it's not consistent and it doesn't show up right in these AI tools, blah, blah, blah. You have to use a tool to standardize the frame rate. Okay, I digress. Today, I've got the chance to try a new feature in Descript, which is our primary editing tool. And they have come out with a thing it's called, I'm looking at here, it's called Quick Design, which is part of their AI feature that they have in the app. Now, I've been using it right now to make some portrait and some landscape ads for new avatars we created today. So I've created 4 new avatars, 4 new unique voices with 11 labs using our control script because we know it works. We're just trying to expand our reach, expand our results so we don't have as much fatigue with the same person in the ad all the time. And I said, I'm going to try this feature. So check this out. I'm going to show you. It's very worthwhile if you're running any type of video ads. So here it is cut up. Here's basically what happened. I'm just going to mute this here because it's not, you won't hear it. It's my earphones. How do we get that down? There we go. Okay. So it basically took a portrait video, which was this video over here, right? Straight up portrait. It's a full on avatar ad you can see here, right? And what I did was I said I used this quick edit tool underneath the AI quick design here, which I've already done. And it's gone through and it has kind of mashed it up in a bunch of different ways, right? To kind of create different text, different overlays. Okay, it's not, this is simple stuff, right? But the idea behind this is that it's creating a whole bunch of different variants. Now we're also in another one here. That's this one. I've got one that I'm doing that's landscape as well, right? But the idea is if we're able to cut these up and make them look so they're not just the talking head all the time, then heck, that saves us a crap ton of time, right? Now they've got a couple different options here when you go quick design, right? This one's 9:16. It can do AI generated type stuff, or it can do stock media, and you can select what kind of AI generated you want. Do you like colorful, hand-drawn, this type, this type, this type. I actually haven't done this yet, so let's see. I don't like that. I think I'm going to do that. 9:16. I'm going to say continue, right? And it goes through this. It takes like whatever it's going to take, dividing into script 25%. I'm going to come back and talk to you for a second here because this is probably going to take 2 minutes. So just one. So while this is literally doing this behind me, I'll come back on and show you what we get from the finished style here. The main reason that I got so excited about this is because, one of the things that slows me down is when I hit things that are boring to do, right? And cutting up videos in Descript and stuff like this is boring to do. And yes, we've had editors, we work with them, and I should have more people doing editing for me, but I still do a crap ton myself for all the accounts we run because I find there's always a mismatch between what people want to put in the ads, like the type of B-roll they want to use, where they choose to put different shots or call outs or things. And I just end up being a control freak and doing it myself. But from your standpoint, if you're running ads wherever, YouTube, TikTok, Meta, I would check this out, right? I know some people use CapCut. I used to, I don't now. Descript's what we go to. I love the ability to highlight the text and edit the video on the fly there. So if you're not using an editor and you've never done editing before and like you're a one-person show, check it out. It's worth the whatever we pay, 50, 60 bucks a month by far. And this is the type of stuff that we're talking about in our school group all the time. I posted a video about this in school today along with 2 other updates, which I'll show you in just a second here. And now let's take a look and see what this video looks like. Okay, so this is kind of neat, like it's making drawings for me, you know what I mean, right? So it's got this person in the background, it's got her over top. You're watching this for the first time as well. It stays a little long, I'm not sure I love that. What happens next to our next cut? Okay, text over top. I see another shot down here, right? This is, I don't have audio on, so obviously you can't hear this. We're talking, it shows, what's it show you? Complete the easy form on the next page. I like that. It created that in, from scratch. That's kind of cool. It's for a life insurance product, right? Some of these will and won't work, obviously, from a compliance standpoint, because I've got certain things. I'm just jumping ahead here to see what else we've got. Making it, I like that. The drawing of the family. Okay, so you get the point. What other one did we come up with here? Now, the key is this happened in like 2 or 3 minutes here, right? What's this one? Neato. I think this is worth trying, because here's the thing. This particular script, actually, let me just turn this. This particular script, I know, being a control script, works for us because we've been using it for a while. It's approved by our client. We know we're saying the right things. It's all disclaimed. It's all this good stuff. So from my standpoint, I think this is a very useful tool to be able to scale out different styles of ads that probably take 2 or 3 minutes to produce, and I don't have to sit there and do it. So check this out, Descript. I'll put Descript in the link below. It's not an affiliate offer or anything like this. But back to one other thing I said here. If this type of stuff seems cool, but you absolutely have really no idea where to start, then you might want to check out Ad Intelligence Collective. That is our school group where we talk about these types of things. We do a weekly call, Q&A. I'm posting new things I learn consistently because I do things pretty systematically the same all the time, but we're constantly changing what we're doing. So let's take a look inside the school group and see what we've posted recently. So other than I have to move our call today from 1 to 1:30 because I have to pick my son up at school, we've got a new post I did in one of our lessons for how to write a prompt for an AI avatar. I also did a quick one on how to do the voice, which is underneath Classroom. This is in our daily micro learnings, which I'm consistently adding to all the time. So you can see here the one that I think I just did here today. So we've got prompting 11 labs for custom avatar voices. We've got using some stock photos for inspiration for videos and things like this. So if you're looking to learn ads, you're looking to up your game, you're looking to get the things that will push you ahead of your competition, get you lower CPAs, get you better results, you want to be in here. You can click the link underneath this video and sign up. Not a free community because I don't want everybody in here. I can only give attention to the people that really want to be invested, but it'll help you up your game. So we'll see you in the next Daily Life and Internet Marketing video. See ya.